How to add contractors and suppliers and view quotations. To add contractor, go to Master Records. Click on Add Contractors. Click on Add New. Write contractor name. Select department. Here you can select multiple departments with one contractor. Fill other details. Attach quotation photographs or upload PDF of it. Click on Add Project. Select the projects in which this contractor needs to be visible. Click Save. Now the contractor is added in contractor list. For adding new supplier, click on Add Supplier. Click on Add New. Write supplier name. Fill other details. Upload supplier's quotation. Click on Add Project. Select the name of the projects in which this supplier needs to be added. Click on Save. Now the supplier is added in the suppliers list. For view the quotations of suppliers and contractors, click on View Quotations. Select Suppliers Quotations. You can get all the suppliers' quotations at one place. For viewing the contractors' quotations, click on Contractors' Quotations. Here you can find all the contractors' quotation with contractor's name.